Shopify store design tutorial with AI. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Shopify store design using AI. Now, a lot of people don't know that, but Shopify has a lot of integrated AI tools which can help you in enhancing your store design and making it really quick and easy to get started with using Shopify as your primary tool for selling products. So let's get started and let's go on ahead and take a look at how we can use Shopify. So for the first step, first off, we're going to create our account on Shopify. You can get started with your email address. I'm just going to log on as I already do have an account, and we're going to start building a brand new store. Now, building a store can be completely free. You can get started with a 3-day free trial, and you can get Shopify for $1 per month for the first 3 months of using Shopify, which can enable you to set up your store, get your products activated, and basically have all of your store basics set up before you have to commit to Shopify long term. So from here, we're just going to proceed onto Shopify and we're going to click on Create Store. Once we click on Create Store, we're going to start creating our brand new store on Shopify. And from here, we're going to use their basic setup. Now, you can skip this prompt if you want, but we want to use Shopify's innate capabilities of building a store. So I want to create a fully customizable online website. I am not selling yet. I buy the product or make them myself, and then I'm just going to click on Next. Once I have completed these basic sign up prompts, we're going to go on to our next step, which is just going to be to choose our plan. I'm going to skip this and I'll decide this later because we can proceed with our basic store anyways. We don't necessarily have to purchase right away. So I'm going to opt for that instead. Now, once we have done this, we are going to get started with setting up our store. To do this, you're going to click on Online Store on the left. And once you do, you will see themes. Now, in your themes, the Dawn theme will be applied by default. And this is the default theme that is applied to all Shopify stores. You can scroll down and you can explore some of their other popular free themes. You can click on Visit Theme Store. And once you do that, you can see over here that we have a bunch of different themes. Some are paid, some are free. You can explore the free ones. There are 13 free themes available. They're all pretty decent, so you can really find something that you like. You can go for a paid theme if you want something more customized, but we're gonna go with the free version. Now, the free version and the default theme, because I really like the default theme, which is the Dawn theme. Now, the reason why I recommend or use the Dawn theme is because the Dawn theme is a tried and trusted theme. The Dawn theme really does not require a lot of customization. It already has, all the basic features you would really need with any store, and it works well with different types of stores. Now, if you scroll down over here, you can actually design your store in seconds with generation of your own themes. So you can describe your businesses to create unique themes with personalized content. Now, over here, what you're going to do is you're going to describe whatever you're creating. So a modern or a classic clothing store with beautiful tailored clothing and artisanal or with haute couture items. And then I'm going to click on Generate Themes, and I'm going to wait for my theme to be generated. Now, keep in mind, these generated themes are not going to be like highly customized. They're not going to be like out of this world or anything. Don't expect it to be too much, because if you do, you might be disappointed in how it looks at the end, but in general, they're still pretty amazing. You guys can see it has generated Whisper, Feather, and Drive. Now, I really like the look of the Drive theme it has generated. I can click on View Demo, and when I click on View Demo, I can actually demo a hypothetical website that has been generated with AI, and it's so beautiful. Honestly, this might just be the perfect theme for the type of store I was thinking about. This is way beyond my expectations. So I'm going to click on Try Theme over here, and once I do that, I can proceed, and I'm just going to wait for this generation to be completed and to be applied. And you guys can see on the top, this has now been applied. Once I do that, I can click on Customize, and this is my AI generated theme. Now from here, we can even open our sidekick on the right and you can ask it a couple of questions. So how can you find a customer? How can I improve my store page load speed? And it can answer different queries or questions you might have. You can ask it to show it in visits, conversion rate, session data, and you can get a lot of valuable information. Now this is my store. Currently we don't have a logo, so I'm just gonna quickly go into Canva and design one. I want a really pretty name for my store because now the sample store has just become so beautiful. So we're gonna go into Canva at least and search for logo, and I'm just gonna use any fancy logo that comes up. I'm gonna search for any pretty logo. All of these are pretty basic. I want something cute and I want it to be a luxury logo. So let's just wait. And I think I want to opt for this one. This one looks really pretty. So I'm just going to click on customize template. Once I click on customize template over here, we can go on ahead and proceed with our customization. Now from here, I'm just going to change this to VS. So I'm just going to call this Vessa Steves. Vessa Steves. Yeah, let's say that's our brand. We're going to download this. I'm going to download with a transparent background, and now we can upload this onto Shopify. So on the left, we have our header, and in our header, it's going to show you your logo position, the color, utilities, padding, settings, spacing. If you go back, it's going to show you to add a block if you want to add any. I'm just going to click on over here. And we're going to edit this in our theme settings, click on select, and we're going to add images. We're going to upload our own logo image, Vessa Steves, onto our Shopify store, and we're just going to select that, click on done. Now we have our beautiful little logo, we have this AI generated website, and now you can just click on any of the content to customize it. Now, if you want to add your product, we're just going to save this and we're going to exit, and we can even improve our product listings with AI. So you can directly go into products on the left. Once you go into products on the left, you're going to click on add product. Once you click on add product, you're going to start adding the title. Let's say this is going to be our ruffle pleat dress, ruffle pleat set, and then you can click on description. Now instead of having to go into ChatGPT or any copywriting tool, you can just type in the basic keywords related to your product. It can generate a beautiful description for you. So a cotton ruffled 2-piece set with a crop top and pants, luxury made, and then I'm going to choose the tone, and I want this to be a sophisticated tone. I can click on generate, and my generation is going to yield my description. I can customize this. I can provide it with special instructions as well, and by default, but based on your title and your description, a category is selected and meta fields are created for your products, which can help in association. And this can further improve your product categorization in Shopify. And just like that, your Shopify store design can be enhanced with AI. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions or queries, make sure to leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.